你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the introduction to Chinese pronunciation, the initials, consonant, p. Before we start today's lesson, let's do a quick review of the Chinese syllable. A Chinese syllable is composed of three parts: an initial sound, the consonant, a final sound, the vowel, and a tone, similar to the intonation in English. Make sure you go back and watch our previous videos, The Sounds of Chinese, Chinese Syllables Part 1 and 2, so you will have a better understanding of a Chinese syllable. When you see the English letter P in Pinyin, the pronunciation is P. It's like the P in the English word pie, but push more and stronger air out from your lips when you say it. Remember, P is pronounced with a strong puff of breath. Now, mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. P, 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 P. Pronunciation exercise for P sound. Let's combine the initial P, the final A, the high-pitched first tone, all together. P, A, Pa. Repeat after me. P, A, Pa. Pa is to lie in Chinese, like the cute dog lie on the bench in the picture. Now say Pa, Pa, Pa. Exercise 2 for P sound. Let's combine the initial P, the final Ow, and the high-pitched first tone, all together. P, Ow, Pow. Repeat after me. P, Ow, Pow. Pow is to toss in Chinese. Now say Pow, Pow, Pow. Let's do a quiz now. When you see the English letter P in Pinyin, how would you pronounce it? The answer is P. Are there any topics that you are interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.